Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I'll show you exactly how to recover your 8-ball pool account quickly and securely. If you've lost access to your account, the first step is to recall how it was linked. Usually, accounts are connected to Facebook, Google Play, Apple ID, or a Miniclip ID. If you cannot log in through those standard methods directly in the app, you will need to contact official support. Here is the most updated method to do this right now. Open any web browser on your phone or computer and search for Miniclip support. Click on their official support page. Once you are there, look for the Submit a Request button at the top of the page. Select 8-ball pool from the drop-down menu. Now, fill out the recovery form. It will ask for your email address and your player unique ID. If you don't remember your player ID, don't worry. Just provide the exact email address you used to create the account, your exact username, and any other details you can remember. A quick pro tip, if you ever made in-game purchases, attaching a screenshot of the digital receipt is the fastest way to prove ownership. Select Account Related as your issue. Explain that you lost access and submit the ticket. The Miniclip support team will review your request and help you get your account back. That's it for today's guide. If this helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple tutorials.